Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe. For those that keep returning, a big thank you. Today is all about the braiding edition. I am going to be braiding my hair, of course, crochet style, and I'm very excited to take you guys with me through the whole process. This is what we're going to be crocheting today. One order comes with about 8 packs, and it is $26.08 off Amazon. They have different colors, but I chose the ombre / orange, which is absolutely beautiful, guys. Let's get into the hair process. So my hair is freshly washed and braided down just for this hairstyle. I went ahead and braided down my hair, but next time I will be sure to include the braiding pattern so that way you guys can follow along. But I like to do the whole connecting to the back so that way I can style it in an updo, but next time for sure. After I braid down my hair, I am now going to go in with my DIY oil. I will attach the link as well, put it on my scalp and massage it. This is just so you know my scalp is not dry, given that I just washed it. You can go ahead and moisturize your scalp, put the oil, but take a few minutes to massage your scalp and get the blood flowing. Now let's get into the main part of this video. I started crocheting from the back. This is my first time showing you guys how I crochet from the back. But because this particular crochet is very tiny, you want to start crocheting at least 2 or 3 strands at a time. If not, you are going to sit here for hours upon hours trying to make sure you have this full effect. If you're someone that do not like a big hair, you should definitely think about just having one order, which will be 8 packs. But if you're someone like me that you love big hair, like big hair don't care, which is also perfect for the winter because it helps to keep you warm, then I would say go ahead and place like an order for 2. So another thing to keep in mind is that, again, as I say with my crochet hairstyles, your cornrows don't have to be crisp. All you need is a great braiding pattern that will let you style your hair in different ways. So when I am crocheting my hair, I am not worried about how neat the patterns are, especially in the back. All that I'm concerned with is the front. But now, so far, I have crocheted up to the middle, but I am also very mindful that I don't make the same mistake that I always make when it comes to crochet, which is running out of hair before you get to the front. But we're not making that mistake again. Now I am finally in the front, and it is very important to me that this hair looks very full. I don't want a case of the back is full and the front needs more hair. So I started the sides with 2 to 3. And then you're going to notice that when I get to the front, I am going to take my time to make sure that this hair actually looks really good. Okay, so in my head, you guys want to know the pros and cons. So let me just tell you guys, I am going to start off with the positive because it's a lot of them. One, the color is absolutely beautiful. If you are on edge and you're like, should I get this color? The answer is yes. Hurry up and get this hair color. The color is extremely beautiful. Secondly, it is extremely lightweight. It is not heavy at all. With the 16 packs in my hair, I can tell you guys honestly, it's not heavy at all. It is lightweight. Thirdly, it is very affordable. I know the first time that I saw the Yankytwist, they were only available in human hair and it was quite expensive. But when you compare the price, 100 and something for 1 pack, versus the $26.08 for 8 packs, I can tell you that this one, you should go with this one. Also, with it being synthetic, I definitely did not experience any itching or any rashes of any kind. And if you follow me on this channel, you know that my scalp is extremely sensitive. But I can tell you guys that if you have sensitive scalp as I do, you can go ahead and get this butt condition and shampoo it before you use it. I didn't have to, and I didn't get any irritation, but go ahead and try it. Okay, now that we're done talking about the positives that I can remember, let's talk about some of the negatives, which I do not actually have a lot, but just one. And that one is the fact that the opening of this particular crochet was super annoying. Because the crochet is very tiny, opening them up to put in the crochet hook was super annoying, because sometimes when you open it up, then it closes and then you have to do it all over again. I feel like if the loop was a little bigger, it would make things much more easier. And that is the only negative that I have. But if you get this hair, now that you know that the loops are very tiny, you can ahead of time open them up just to make the installation process a little faster. We are now finally towards the front of the hair, and that is super exciting, guys. Now I am going in with about 4-5 at a time, because this part needs to be full, because this is what people are seeing as they're looking at you. So it cannot be given anything other than perfection. So I even made sure, oh, let me add another positive. Because this hair is so small, it is so hard for you to see the cornrows, especially when you crochet 3 to 4 at a time. And the front is super important to me, so that's why I went ahead and did about 4 at a time. Now this is what the hair looks like. I am officially done. Now it is already so beautiful without even me styling it or doing any extra thing. But in another video, I will make sure to show you guys different ways to style this particular hairstyle. Also, I am very excited for this hairstyle because I cannot wait for it to get old, because I feel like when it gets old, it will even be much more beautiful. But this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sure you can hear the excitement in my voice. I will see you in my next one. Bye.